Barbie Fortes update. During pa-black screening ng Silka na endorsement ni Barbie, kasama ang Barbie Natics yan. Nakabang yung mga fans ni Barbie. Napapasok ng sinihan.
Barbie Fortes!
Until she remembers. Kaya na si Barbie.
Barbie, please can you come up here in front so we can ask you some questions, malaman namin kung ano yung masasabi mo for your performance tonight as Angel na 16. Para ng viewers natin.
May masaya si Barbie. Pa-black screening ng Silka. Ayun pa yung group picture nila. With Silka and Barbie Natics.
Please is here as well to support Barbie. Ayun, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you, Sir Jansen and Ms. Jane, for continuously empowering Filipinas to feel confident.
Ano kaya yung story nito? Sorry ako.
In verses.
Diyan dami nila. Ito yung highlights sa post ng Barbie Natics. Ayan, pagdating ni Barbie, kasama niya si Daddy Tony. Ayan o. Until she remembers black screening organized by Silka. Ayan o. Yung gulat pa nga si Barbie. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is the Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.